Open the MetrologyExplorer, which is part of the AT solution package. Connect the sensor via Connect. Capture a scan using Snap. The capture parameters are similar to those in the first tutorial. The captured point cloud of the part to be measured is now displayed in the viewer. To perform the desired measurement on the part, save the scan. Switch from the MetrologyExplorer to the MetrologySDK. This package allows you to develop your own evaluation scripts and later integrate them into the system. Use the included development environment called CodeX. Load the scan you just saved. Create a new script to automate the evaluation process. The scanned part is the PCB of a Raspberry Pi, and you are interested in the height of this part. To measure the height, first segment the measurement points that are on the part. Create a box at the position of the part for this purpose. Then select all the points of the scan that are within the box. Since the part and the PCB are planes from which you want to measure the distance, use a function that fits the geometry of a plane to the position where most measurement points are located. In the 3D viewer, you can now see that the PCB and the top of the part are represented by planes. The distance between the two planes can now be easily calculated and displayed in the console. To transfer this into the script, simply copy the generic code blocks into the script. These are automatically generated for each function executed. The script is now finished and can be saved. Now, test the evaluation on a newly captured scan. To do this, load the script in the MetrologyExplorer. Once the script is loaded and another capture is made, it will be automatically processed according to the script. The new scan is now visible, along with the planes representing the position of the parts. In the Object Viewer, you can toggle the visualization of individual objects on and off. Generally, all objects created during the scan and evaluation are visualized. The part to be measured has been correctly segmented, and the measurement appears valid. As desired, the result of the measurement is displayed in the console. This is a simple example to illustrate the workflow for creating an automated evaluation.